Hello all. This is going to be a very interesting session because we are actually going to put all of the things that we have learned so far with the Tableau in a single window. So there are lots and lots of concepts that we have looked into Tableau, and we have got an idea that how companies can change the way how they are looking at the data. So whatever data they are going to get in, so they will be getting a lot of insights out of that data. So this kind of getting a lot of insights from the data is something that is achievable only through a kind of visualization tool like Tableau. And we have explored different types of features that the Tableau could offer to us. So we worked in terms of worksheets till now. Now it's time for us to get inside and what Tableau as a dashboard can provide. Let's try to get an idea. So this is going to be a complete overview on dashboard. So I'm not going to work specifically on any particular dashboard, but I'm just going to give you an idea about how to create a dashboard and what are the options that is available with the dashboard for you to work along. And so that's what I'm going to cover in this session. So this is just a introductive session for your dashboards. And the later session we will be looking, or we will be creating a very interesting sales kind of dashboard, a complete dashboard we can create it, and you will understand that how all the different concepts that we have learned so far in the Tableau is coming together. Okay, then, and if you wanted to present your business insight to your officials, how dashboard is going to help you to achieve this. Okay, so you know very well that Tableau can actually in fact manipulate the data, and then it'll allow you to modify the calculations, and also it'll allow you to change the scenarios in real time. All of these things that is known to us because we have looked into the different features of Tableau. Okay, so in comparison, if I will do Tableau with other kind of things, especially I need to do a comparison with the Excel. So when we try to do an comparison with Excel, how Tableau is standing apart from Excel is because Tableau is coming up with a feature of a dashboard. Okay, and you can actually have unlimited data when it comes to Tableau. So just the comparison when I did with similar software that is actually trying to give a different type of insights on the data, it's clearly giving us one point that Tableau is standing apart because of the feature called as an interactive dashboard. All right, so that's the importance of the dashboard here. So now let's get inside and try to understand why do we require a dashboard first of all. So the simplest use case that I could give you is if you are owner for your any kind of store. Okay, so it's a cafe or any kind of store if you have it, and if you are a owner, you will be working with multiple managers. And what will be your what will be your focus means, you will obviously wanted to focus on how you wanted to improve your business. So if you wanted to focus on how do I improve my business, you need to constantly see things which is happening in your store. So what are the kind of things that I will be constantly seeing is that I will look into a region sales, and then I will always look into what kind of transactions is happening with respect to a store, just because I wanted to understand for this particular store what product is going more. Okay, if I have to get an idea about that, I need to know the store transactions data as well, and I'll be able to identify the store transactions what is happening maybe with the visualization from my category and the sales. If I will do it, I can basically get an idea about what is the meaning of a store transactions. And also I need to concentrate on what should be the discount margin. So for which product, what discount I need to give it, and how the profit is happening, whether my business is profitable or not. All of these informations I need to know as an owner, because only if I know these informations, few things that I concentrate on is, like, if I have to if I have to answer a question like, where should I reduce my investments, where should I improve my investments, in the whole country, which particular segment of the country should I focus on for improving my sales. There are different sorts of questions that could come to your mind, and for all of these questions to get answered, you will have to deal with these individual sheets that I was talking about. So the individual sheets could be a region sales and then the store transactions, right? So the point is that there will be multiple people working with the region sales, store transactions, and discount margin. Multiple people and multiple sheets will be there. But as a manager, as a owner, if you wanted to, if you are trying to get an answer to the question, where should I reduce the investment? Okay, so naturally, you wanted few things to be there in a single place. Okay, so what are the few things that could be there in a single page means, I want to know where should I reduce the investment, right? So obviously, I will compare my store transactions with the profit. So I wanted the store transactions and profit to be there in the same page. Okay, so that I can make a comparison. So, but these two things are two different worksheets, which is lying in two different workbooks. All right. So now I have to get these two things into a single place. That's where the dashboard comes into play. When you talk about, dashboard comes into play in Tableau. So what exactly I try to do with a dashboard is, I just try to do a combination of your multiple worksheets into a single place. Okay, so if in case if I'm trying to answer to the question, where should I reduce the investment, I try to put in the store transactions and the profit worksheets together in a single place. Okay, so that's what is the meaning of a dashboard. So I hope you got an idea about what is the meaning of a dashboard. Now it's time for us to definitely go ahead and understand, how do I create a dashboard? Okay, so this is the overview, like, the need for your dashboard is understood and what is dashboard is understood. Now let's go ahead and try to understand, how do I create a dashboard? Okay, so without we don't have to worry about what exactly what kind of visualization that I'm going to do it, just because I just wanted to show you how to create a dashboard. Okay, so let's put a simple kind of visualization. So this is my first sheet, right? So I'll just rename this sheet and give it as a sales margin sheet. Okay, let's click on OK for that. And then what I'm going to do is that I just wanted to understand this sales category wise or subcategory wise. So let me just put the categories and my subcategories into my rows. And then in my columns, maybe I just wanted to understand the sales. Okay, so I'm already getting one kind of, a bar chart is what I'm getting it. So this is the first sheet I have. Of course, it does not make any kind of lot of insights is not there in this sheet, but definitely one thing what you can understand is, I have a sheet which is talking about the um, different categories, how much sales it is making. Okay, so this is my first sheet. Now what I wanted to do is that I just wanted to go ahead and create one more worksheet. Okay, so this worksheet, probably I will rename it as profit. Okay, and click on OK. So what I wanted to know is that how my profit is there yearly. Okay, so let me just put my order date in the columns, and then I'm just going to put my profit in my rows. Okay, so you can see that there is a line chart which has been created, and if you wanted, you just can keep it as a quarter wise, you wanted to know the profit, or monthly wise, if you wanted to keep the profit also, you can keep it as monthly wise. So we have two worksheets now. Okay, So as I said, like, I just wanted to see both the worksheets in the same place. That's where I will go ahead and create a dashboard, right? So see here in the top bottom itself, you have three things. So this is to create a story, and this is to create a dashboard, and this is where you can create a new worksheet. Okay. So now what I will concentrate on is how do we create a new dashboard. So you can create your new dashboard from here, or otherwise you can go to your dashboard and then click on new dashboard. Okay. So I'm just creating my new dashboard now. See, you can see very clearly that the two sheets that I have it in my workbook is getting displayed over here. Okay, so one is my sales margin, another one is my profit. So these are the two sheets that I'm interested in. Okay, so I just wanted both the two sheets to be there in a single place, right? That's why I have created a dashboard. Now I'll just drag and then I'll try to put this sheet. You can understand that my first sheet, like, the sales margin sheets is there. So now I wanted both the sheets to be lying in the same page, in the same dashboard. So as I drag my sheets into the worksheet, what happens is that into your dashboard, what happens is that automatically it will be selected as tiled. So if you click on floating, and then you can do a kind of you can just right click on it, and then you can just do a kind of that if you wanted to do a resizing and all that things, you could do it. And also if you want to be if you want your edit your title, and that is also possible with your um, you can do it with your dashboard. Okay, and also let me just pull in this profit as well. Okay, so you can see here it is already in the floating format, and you can see that profit is also here. Okay, so you can resize it according to how you wanted your show. How do you want to show this, you can show it. Or otherwise, if you feel that this size is not enough for me to um, show my complete visualization, you can always change, and you can see your you can see that it is changing. The size is getting changed. The width is changed, and also if you want to change your height, you can change it. Okay, so that's the way you can actually resize. And if you choose your automatic, this is the way it is showing for me. Okay, so these are different things that you can actually do it. And if you click on download over here, you can see the options whether you wanted to download your data source in any, dashboard in any one of this format. You can just go ahead and download it. Okay, and also if you wanted to add some kind of object into your dashboard, suppose for example, if you're creating a dashboard for your company and you wanted your company logo to get displayed in your dashboard, you can do that. So if I will just click on image, and this is where I have my image. So just click on the image, and you can just add the whatever type of image that you wanted to add it, you can just add on it. Okay, and then you can also show your dashboard title. So if you wanted to give your dashboard, so you can just click on images, and then you can add the corresponding whatever. If you wanted to add your company logo, you can actually go ahead and click on image, and then you can show your image. Otherwise, like, if you want to show your dashboard title, you can show your dashboard title. If you can just give it as, I just wanted to show me as a profit margin. Okay, and the way how do you want it your dashboard title to look, that also you can mention it. Okay, so all of these things are the different options that is available with my dashboard. And I can make use of this options to make my dashboard really interactive. And also you can actually give a better insights about the data by putting in different types of work that you have done as a part of getting your store improved in terms of sales as well as in terms of profit. You wanted your store to improve everything. So all you can do is that you can perform you can work on different things, multiple things, and then you can put everything together into a dashboard, which will help your owner to get a better visualization on what is happening in your organization. So this is the way you actually create your dashboard. And there are certain things like, we can so that's what I wanted to say as a part of this presentation. And I hope all of you got an idea about how you can go ahead and create a dashboard with when you have multiple worksheets. And as I said, we will see a complete interactive dashboard for our sales in the coming session. That will give you an idea, complete idea about how to work with the dashboards. So with this explanation, you could have definitely got an idea that dashboards is very, very cool feature in Tableau, just because of the reason I can put multiple things together in a single place, and I can even make it interactive with different kinds of options which is available. And so in the next session, I just wanted to show you what kind of actions that you can apply with the dashboard. So that's all I have for this session. Thank you.